We start with some breaking news coming in, but before that, a quick reminder, the Civil Aviation Minister in moments from now will be speaking on the Indigo crisis in the lower house of Parliament. But the centre's crackdown on Indigo amid crisis has begun. The centre has cut Indigo's flight operations by 5% and reassigned them to other airlines. Indigo has been ordered to avoid reduction in flights on single flight operations sector flown by Indigo. This is extremely important. The DGCA has also said that Indigo must reduce flights on high demand, high frequency sectors. And they've also gone on to say that Indigo has not demonstrated an ability to operate schedules efficiently. Tanushka joining me live on that breaking and developing story. Tanushka, is efficiency the only reason cited by the DGCA at this point?
Right, yes, we do understand that with respect to the DGC is also given a full breakdown of the percentage by which Indigo was allowed to increase its flight operations as well. This is talking about the summer schedule as well. So in summer schedule, Indigo was allowed an enhancement of 6% in its schedule with 403 aircraft as against 351 aircraft earlier. And thereafter, the airline, it was observed that the airline was able to operate only 339 aircraft in October this year and 334 aircraft in November this year. So this is, clearly the airline did not demonstrate an ability to operate these schedules differently. This is what the DGCA has noted in its notice that is issued to Indigo as well. And it says that thereby it directed Indigo to reduce its flight operations by 5%. So this is how the 5% cut comes in. Remember, Indigo on a daily basis operates around 2,200 flights across the country. So a 5% cut would mean 110 or 115 flight reductions on a daily basis. So this has just come in from the Director General of Civil Aviation, wherein keeping in mind the entire crisis that has happened, and Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu also speaking in Rajya Sabha about the Indigo meltdown in the skies, and clearly making it very clear that this is an internal management crisis that has happened on part of Indigo, and Indigo is purely to blame because of this, and taking action on this is definitely now the DGCA tracking down with this 5% reduction
so a
in
big
flight
crackdown
operations.
there by the government. We're going to come back to Tanushka in a moment from now.